Oh, I just woke up. I was sleeping between jobs. But anyways, I don't have much time, so let's take a look at the new canvas by Nvidia in 3, 2, 1, boom. Download Canvas in the link in the description and install it. Open Canvas, and the usage is very simple. On the right corner under Materials, you can choose the material you want to paint on the canvas. When you paint it, it automatically updates the image on the right. You have a simple tool set on the left, you can change the size of the brush underneath it. Let's pick a style on the right and make a line of dirt. Now add some sand in the corners, I'll paint a stone on the foreground. Now I'll draw an ocean in the back. I'll fix the rocks and add some grass in the corners. Expand the gravel to the ocean. Now I'll add a small forest and a very small mountain in the horizon. Now I'll add some clouds and choose a variation that I like on the slider. I can also choose the style of the image. If you want, you can draw directly on the image on the right and see the results changing under your cursor in real time. This one was fast, but I have to go. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I see you after I'm back from my third job. Adios!